Where's the air at? This is after the third dry one, and this is the third wet one. 3 dry, 3 wet. I think I got it started.
Yeah, that is nicely done. Look on the other side. Get another one. It's fully used. Yep, it's getting better. Yeah, it's still dirty, but like I said, it's been months and months. Did some Lysol spray the curtains. What? No. No, I will not. If anything falls on this ground, it's getting thrown away. Good job. Good job.
Let's start cleaning the public place.